Welcome to the Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center. In 2004, a national level institute AMGITA has been started in the field of engineering and technology as per guidelines of All India Council for Technical Education AICTE New Delhi. AMGITA is approved by AICTE New Delhi, Gujarat State and affiliated to Gujarat Technological University Ahmedabad, which is also known as GTU. Our goal is to be an institute of generative ideas so that we remain relevant to our society. The AMGITA has always been an organization on move with continuous effort on improving its processes and to maintain its relevance to the Indian science scenario, with adding new programs in its programmatic portfolio. We strongly believe in overall development of students, so for that we provide them a different platform like state level tech fest, project fair, different sports activity, which helps students to teach teamwork and problem solving skills to get physical health benefits, boost self esteem, and reduce pressure and stress for prove their skills in distinct area. So, students, welcome to the lecture of Basic Electronics. Myself, Professor Gaurang C. Patel from Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. So, today we are going to discuss about the syllabus of this subject, that is Basic Electronics in first year, SEM 2. So, we will begin with the teaching scheme and what are the contents that included in the syllabus. Okay, students. Okay, so student, this is the subject that that is in your first year, and the subject name that is basic electronics. Okay, and the subject code that is 3110016. So in this subject basic electronics, there is a teaching scheme. I will just, for this first lecture, I will introduce you guys with the subject, what are the syllabus of this subject, what are the topics that is going to be covered during this subject, and what you are going to be learned. Okay, so first of all, that is the teaching scheme. You can see, so that in that portion you can see that is external examination is going to be take place of 70 marks. 70 marks का आपका GTU का जो पेपर है वो होगा. Then 30 marks that is for the mid sem exam, PA, that is stands for personal assessment. Then your practical will be there. So यहाँ पे practicals भी आपके perform होंगे, practicals की lab session में. ओके उसमें आपके वाइवा के 30 मार्क्स है एक्सटर्नल, एंड इंटरनल 20 मार्क्स है. So total this subject is fulfilled with the 150 marks. Okay, so that's how this teaching scheme is designed for this particular subject. So now we will see how many chapter we are going to learn through this semester. The first chapter of your subject, that is diode theory and its application. So in students basic electronics diode, we will start from the basic, that is diode theory and applications, and this subject having the 20 percentage of weightage of all the from the 100%. Okay, so in this uh, chapter, we will start with basic idea about forward bias, reverse bias, and the VI characteristics of diode. Then we will say what is ideal diode, second and third approximation, then surface mount diode, Zener diode. There are different kinds of diodes are there. Then how the testing of diode will be going through with the multimeter, कि भाई डायोड्स चालू है बंद है उसको हम कैसे टेस्ट करें मल्टीमीटर से, वो हम उसमें देखेंगे. देन हाफ वेव रेक्टिफायर, फुल वेव रेक्टिफायर, ये जो रेक्टिफायर है विद द हेल्प ऑफ डायोड हम कैसे बना सकते हैं, हाफ वेव रेक्टिफायर, फुल वेव रेक्टिफायर, वो भी देखेंगे. ब्रिज रेक्टिफायर, RC एंड LC फिल्टर्स, डिजाइन ऑफ अनरेगुलेटेड DC पावर सप्लाई, then clipping circuit, clamping circuit, voltage multiplier circuit, reading data sheet of semiconductor diode. So इस फर्स्ट चैप्टर में हम ये इतना कंप्लीट करेंगे. Then we will see this in second chapter, that is bipolar junction transistor and its biasing. So it is also known as BJT, bipolar junction transistor. Okay students, so after completion of first chapter we will go through the second chapter. In that we will see the operation of BJT, voltages and currents in BJT, that is CE, CB and CC characteristic, that is common emitter, common based and common collector characteristics. It is known as this, how how this BJT is going triggering, that we will see. Then DC load line and bias point, base bias, emitter feedback bias, collector feedback bias, voltage divider bias. So this all are the triggering circuits, that is for the BJT that we are going to be learn. Then thermal stability, biasing, BJT switching circuits, transistor power dissipation and switching time, testing of bipolar junction transistor with multimeter, reading datasheet of BJT. So these things are covered in our second chapter, that is bipolar junction transistor and its biasing, and this chapter is cover the 20% portion of that your 100% syllabus. Okay, I think someone wants to join us. I will just admit it. Jamin Patel is there. Okay, Jamin, welcome to the lecture.
हाँ सर, मैं भूल के पहले लिंक मांग गया कल सिविल
Oh,
वारूंगा.
okay, no worries. Okay, so in chapter 3, we will see, that is special purpose diode and transistor. That is a chapter 3. In chapter 3 there are special purpose diodes and transistor. उसमें स्टूडेंट हम क्या देखेंगे कि जो स्पेशली हम स्पेशल एप्लीकेशन के लिए जो डायोड यूज़ करेंगे, फॉर एग्जांपल लाइट एमिटिंग डायोड, जो जिसे हम एलईडी कहते हैं, जो हम यूज़ करते हैं हमें डेकोरेशन पर्पस और उन सब के लिए. Okay, then we will see what is Zener diode. Then Zener diode circuit for voltage regulation. Photodiode students हम देखते हैं हमारे सोलर पैनल जो लगती है उसमें जो सनलाइट का इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में कन्वर्जेशन होता है, that is with the effect of photodiode, and that is also known as solar cell. जब भी कोई प्रकाश उस सर्किट पे या उस डायोड पे पड़ता है तो उसमें इलेक्ट्रॉन का फ्लो होता है. ओके, ऑन दैट प्रिंसिपल फोटोडायोड इज वर्क. दैट्स हाउ इट इज वर्क. वी विल सी इन द लेक्चर सेशन. देन PIN डायोड, और यू कैन सी पिन डायोड, वैरेक्टर, शॉटकी डायोड, वैरिस्टर्स, टनल डायोड, 7 segment display, 16 segment display, identify segments on pin using multimeter, dot matrix, LED supply, phototransistor, optocoupler, reading data sheet of optoelectronics devices, etc. Okay, so after completion of chapter 3 we will see, that is chapter 4, that is AC analysis of BJT circuits and small signal amplifier. इसमें हम देखेंगे कि जब उसको AC सप्लाई और AC लोड के साथ जब कनेक्ट करते हैं BJT को, तब उस पर क्या इफेक्ट होता है वो इस चैप्टर में हम कवर करेंगे. और इस चैप्टर में टॉपिक्स क्या रहेंगे? कपलिंग एंड बाईपास कैपेसिटर्स, एसी लोड लाइंस, ट्रांजिस्टर मॉडल्स एंड पैरामीटर्स, कॉमन एमिटर सर्किट एनालिसिस, कॉमन बेस सर्किट एनालिसिस, कॉमन कलेक्टर सर्किट एनालिसिस, कंपैरिजन ऑफ कॉमन एमिटर, कॉमन बेस एंड कॉमन कलेक्टर सर्किट, ट्रांजिस्टर एज अ स्विच. ये टॉपिक्स के साथ हम चैप्टर 4 खत्म करेंगे और वो पोर्शन कितना 20% पोर्शन कवर करेगा. ओके, देन वी विल सी to the chapter 5, that is field effect transistor, that is known as FET and its biasing. So in field effect transistor student, we will see junction field effect transistor, comparison of BJT and FET, then JFET characteristics, FET biasing in ohmic region and active region, then transconductance, amplification and switching, MOSFETs, D-type and E-type MOSFETs, CMOS introduction, E-MOSFET amplifier, MOSFET testing, reading dataset for FET and MOSFET. So ये जो field effect transistor है, MOSFET है, वो कैसे बनता है, what are the applications of that MOSFET, and how it will be operated in the circuit, that we will see in chapter number 5. After that completion of chapter number 5, और chapter number 5 हमारा 20% portion कवर करेगा हमारे out of 100% में से. Okay, then we will see the chapter number 6, that is digital. In digital chapter there are, we will see different logic gates over there, that basic gates AND, OR, NOT, NAND, NOR, XOR, XNOR, building AND OR gate with diodes, digital logic families. So डिजिटल जो भी हमारे गेट्स हैं उसका बेसिक ऑपरेशंस हम देखेंगे. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो दैट्स हाउ दिस 6 चैप्टर will cover our syllabus of that subject, that is our basic electronics. Okay, So over here you can take these books as a reference for the completion of this chapter, that is David Abel Electronic Devices and Circuit from Oxford University, then Albert Malvino and David Electronic Principles, that is the publication Tata McGraw-Hill, and R.L. Boylested and L. Nashalsky for Electronic Devices and Circuit, then Jacob Milliam, Christos Hawkins, Chetan D. Parikh, Integrated Electronics from Tata McGraw-Hill publication, then Albert Malvino and David, that is Problems and Solution in Basic Electronics, that is published by McGraw-Hill. Okay, so this how this syllabus is going to be. You can find out the books for to completion this syllabus. This is the reference books we can see over there. So after completion of this course, what will be the outcomes, that these are the outcomes that analyze the general and special purpose diode circuit, then design biasing circuits for BJT, analyze BJT circuits in small signal domain, then analyze basic FET circuits, verify the functionalities of basic digital gates and logic families, and construct and test circuit using basic electronic devices in group. So basic electronics के basic applications हम इसमें आफ्टर कंप्लीशन ऑफ कोर्स हम सीख पाएंगे, और कैसे ये वर्क करता है वो हम इस आफ्टर कंप्लीशन ऑफ सिलेबस हम ये सीख पाएंगे. ओके, नाउ ओवर हियर these are the list of experiments that you are going through the semester. These are the number of experiments you can see. First experiment, that to measure DC voltage and current, AC voltage and current with multimeter. So first practical हमारा क्या रहेगा, DC to measure DC voltage and current and AC voltage and current with multimeter. Then to observe waveforms on oscilloscope, measure basic parameters, amplitude and frequency of sine wave and square wave. Then obtain VI characteristic of semiconductor rectifier diode, LED and photodiode. हम VI characteristic obtain करेंगे semiconductor rectifier diode और LED और photodiode की. Then to observe waveform at the output of half wave rectifier with and without filter, capacitor to measure DC voltage, DC current, ripple factor with and without filter, capacitor. Then we will see the next practical, that is to observe waveform at the output bridge rectifier with and without filter, capacitor. Okay students, so and then construct AND gate and OR gate with help of diode and verify truth table. Then we will see to obtain common emitter characteristic of NPN transistor, common base characteristic of NPN transistor, common collector characteristic of NPN transistor, and common emitter amplifier, and construct circuit on breadboard. Measure gain at different frequencies and plot frequency responses. So such are the experiments are given. There are a number of experiments are given in the list. So among of them, at least we are trying to complete those experiment in the lab session. Okay, and for completion of this equipments, we are using such kind of equipments. These are the CRO, okay, that is cathode ray oscilloscope, then function generator, then DC power supply, then breadboard and discrete electronic components. So we are using those equipments or components during the session. Okay, now these are the list of open source software for learning website. You can go through this nptel.ac.in and the swayam.government.in. Then you can also see the eSIM available on FOSSEE website, that is http://fossee.in. so इन वेबसाइट्स का यूज करके आप ऑनलाइन भी इसका कुछ नॉलेज ले सकते हैं. ओके, so student, this is all about the syllabus. Okay, and today we will start with our first lecture and with the first topic. Okay student, so just a moment. So students, finally, as in every lecture, after completion of every lecture, I will try to give you a message that please remember turn off the light when it is not required. Okay, so please save the energy, save the electricity. Thank you very much.